In today's video, we're going to go and do some online arbitrage. Online arbitrage is where you search online for deals, hoping to find something that will be profitable to sell on Amazon. The idea is you buy low and you sell high, a tale as old as time. Welcome back everyone to the channel. The idea of this whole video is to try and show you the process of finding deals online. Dunelm is a very popular website in the UK that people would use to buy sort of like home furnishings. I do like to sell home items on Amazon, still trying to keep my product costs below 50. So that's pretty much the only criteria that I'm going to be looking for on the Dunelm website. So let's go straight to Dunelm, obviously the website itself, and we will simply do searching. What this means is I will try to find the deals, bargains on the website. Then I will use software to try and search on Amazon for those deals. This is one way of doing online arbitrage, and for the purposes of this video, that is the exact method that I'm going to try to use. The joys of doing YouTube, my internet was getting fixed that day, and I mean it. The website pages were taking about 5 minutes to load each. It was going to be one of the worst videos of all time. So I've waited until my internet's fixed, hence the day or two later. So we're going to pick up where we left off by going on to Dunelm's website and having a look to see what we can get our hands on. So we go to Dunelm, we have a look, clearance section, best place. You also notice, because it's a bank holiday weekend, there is 50% off. So there's going to be a couple of sections here that you can look at. Straight off the bat, you will do is go down to price. We don't want to be looking for anything more than say £50. Anything less than say £5. We will hit apply. So 144. So that's not as bad amount. And you can still go down and start seeing things like this. You're not going to sell big items like this. So the timer has started. Let's see how many things we can find in the next 30 minutes. Not a bad table, it's a wooden shelf, it's a shelf, rubbish. Did anyone actually use these things or not? A bit old fashioned, reminds me of like my granny's house. Yes! Down 50%. Yes, man! Yes! Down 50% on that recycling bin. 70 notes for that. Yes! But that's just for me personally now. So far, we're down one page, absolutely nothing. And I haven't even checked because I'm looking and I'm going, right, these are oversized items. Just want to take a moment out of this video. If you're enjoying this video and the effort that goes into making these videos, please like, subscribe, help me grow the channel. I really appreciate everybody that does that. And leave your comments down below. What store would you like to see us search next? No, absolutely nothing. Nothing. You know, and I've actually clicked into a couple of these here. I'm just not showing you. I'm only cutting out where I've been talking. And where I don't talk, it makes it easier to edit. There is no point me showing you all this because it's been painful. You know, for the likes of this Batman mirror, is it a Batman mirror or is it a knockoff Batman mirror? Not entirely sure if you would get this. Oh! Hold on. So straight away you can see that is a match. That's the same bloody picture. So what we do then is click on it. We have a look and see, is this potentially a good deal? So we type in £5. We hit our analyze button with BuyBot Pro and we will see. Go down here. Okay, return on investment, phenomenal. Loads of profit, £11. This is looking extremely good. Below average. Sales volume, okay. Fab profit. Volume, suggested purchase price, not sure. Our AI thinks give it a miss, but why? One sale a month. One sale a month. And there's only one seller on it. This doesn't feel very good, guys. This one doesn't feel very good at all. Let's bring it up. We'll look into it in a bit more detail. One sale a month, private label, no historic sellers, only FBA on it. If we go to this all-time chart, we can see there has never been an FBA seller. So, Bloomington's direct brand, avoid like the plague. Again, looking. Okay, it's gone 10 minutes so far. We have made 0. Sharp Shield, JML. Now JML is a brand. Will this potentially be on Amazon Dream? Let's have a look. I would imagine this will be. Nothing coming up initially. And that JML is a brand name, so that should, in theory, come up on Amazon. What we'll do is, just out of interest, we will go into Amazon directly and we will search JML Sharp Gloves, just to see if anything like that comes up. Now, you skip the sponsored stuff, because they're all pushed to the top, so don't let that put you off. But realistically, if it's not on the first page, there's absolutely no chance in hell that the JML gloves are on Amazon, and it's pretty safe to say that JML gloves are not on Amazon, so that is another dud. We've went through all 3 pages. I've clicked on about 9 different odd links. Nothing. So offers, we're going to go to the big bank holiday, 50% off. There has to be some treats in here. We have over 1,400 items. We're not interested in the big ticket stuff. As we know, we're going to again go down our criteria of about £45 and anything over sort of £5. We'll even say £4 because you may get a really good deal. Brings it down to 718. Through 718 items, all we're looking for is a couple of big ticket stuff that we can bring in and buy to make money. I'm feeling optimistic, really optimistic. Gonna have a look at this now to see. These are coming up, but unfortunately it doesn't look to be profitable. This is a wee cheeky 20% off on this treat. Let's see. Died on intense black machine. Intense black, here we go. We click on this. It's selling for £6, yeah, and it's cost me £5.60. Jesus. We'll keep going. We're about 25 minutes into this and I've lost all hope now. Dunelm is now hit on the Unibond, bath and kitchen sealer, £2 off. Let's go. Unibond, bath, kitchen sealant. Come on. It's probably dangerous goods, probably going to cost, how long? There it is. It's cheaper on Amazon. We're coming close to the half hour, guys. Are we going to find anything here? I'm scrolling really fast now, trying my best to try and see if we can get something. No more nails, let's go. Oh, is that it? Oh! £8. You don't even need to type that. I'm paying for it. There's no profit in that. On the last page here, guys, this is it. It's all or nothing. Give up checking the Unibond stuff. I've checked them all. There really is no profit in them. So that's actually 35 minutes of scanning. A couple of deals look profitable, no sellers. Some deals look good, sellers, but no profit. Some were actually dearer. Some were actually in discount, but they were actually cheaper on Amazon. So in the end, I made 0 money. Actually, I'm going to take it a step further because I've spent about 35 minutes going through and checking Dunelm. That's 35 minutes of my life I'm never getting back. So I actually see this as a minus because I could have been doing something else that would have been guaranteed to be profitable. Not a great return at all. And the idea, I suppose, of this video is if you're a newbie and you're a beginner and you have no clue what you're doing, this is likely going to be you. You're likely going to go on to stores that just are not profitable. Dunelm would not be a website that we would use to ever look for deals. It's very rare that you will find deals there. And you can only imagine when there's a internet full of hundreds of thousands of websites, you could get lost in a rabbit hole where you're just not finding any profitable deals. That is why, as a beginner, there's 2 reasons you should join the Deal Hunters deal sheet. Not only will you get the best performing deals that is on the market today, almost as a guarantee, you will actually be able to see the type of stores that you get these types of deals from. So even after a month, if you went, hey, I don't want to pay the subscription no more, I will ever do this myself, at least you will know the type of stores to go and look at, which will be of benefit itself. So at £35 a month, it really is a bargain to be signing up to Deal Hunters. But guess what, guys? I'm going to let you in a little tiny secret. See, if you do sign up, you're not going to leave. The deals are that friggin' good. I'll see you there.